Hello everybody and welcome back. Happy New Year. Hope everyone had a nice holiday season. I know I did. I took 2 weeks off of work, which is like the first time I've done that in forever. I don't think I've ever, since I was like in school and didn't work, taken that much time off. So it was really, really nice. I'm just kind of wrapping up my holiday vacation at the moment. I'm back to work in 2 days when I'm filming this. Although I guess me filming or editing and recording for this is technically work, but doesn't seem like it. So I'm just removing Vanessa's old set here. I was popping off the little silver charms, and now with that big piercing I glued onto that nail, I'm going around with the cuticle bit and just etching some of that gel out to make my life a little bit easier. And I'm using an old pair of cuticle nippers and just popping kind of the gel up there so I can safely remove the charms. No charm should ever be ripped off uncomfortably. Then I'm going in with my Erica's ATA T-Rex bit and removing the design on top. With Vanessa we do a hard gel base. Sorry, I had to think about that. So there is still product remaining on her natural nails there, which would you look at her natural nails? They're beautiful. She's got very, very nice nails. So just going through and doing my prep, pushing back the cuticles, and now I'm using another Erica's ATA bit. I think this one's the nib, but I'll link it down below because I'm not 100%. You're just seeing me go around the left side of the nail, but I do eventually reverse the bit and go around the right side of the nail as well. And this is just kind of getting up under the nail fold and getting any of that dead cuticle that's stuck on the nail plate, getting rid of that so we don't have any lifting. Then a little bit of cuticle trimming, and then I am straight into filing. I like to start by just like checking lengths in comparison. Oh, hold on, pizza break. We always get Maker's Pizza. It's so good. This part, as per usual, is going to be out of focus or out of frame. I'm just using the Izemi Neo base in the medium viscosity to base coat her nails. This is what I always use on her, and it works really well for her nails. And then I'm going in with the Izemi Resin 99.9. This is the potted version in number 1. It's slightly less thick than number 2. So going in with that. And again, I got most of it out of frame, so I'm not showing you everything. But I'm just backfilling what she already had on there. First we start with a slip layer, and then I go in with a bead of it, and then using my liner brush there just to touch it up before curing. And then we're going in for some finish filing. The nice thing about this Izemi gel is it's so wonderful to work with and so smooth and levels really well that there usually isn't a ton of filing that needs to be done. I'll usually just kind of smooth out the sides and then make sure the cuticle is flush, but honestly it's one of my favorite products to use when I'm overlaying nails. Oh, now we're just looking at this. Look how cute this little happy face bottle is. This is a Funit gel, and it is a sheer black. So just doing, I believe I can't remember if I did 1 or 2 coats of that, but just I wanted something a little bit sheer. And now I'm wiping that off, and I'm going to go in with the young, oh no, I'm not yet. Not yet, getting ahead of myself. I'm going back in with a Izemi Neo base, and this one's in a thinner viscosity. And what I'm doing is curing that, and I'm going to buff over top because I am going to be using chrome. So I don't want the chrome to stick to the base that I've just laid down. And by buffing the base, that will create a surface that chrome doesn't want to stick to, basically. So just lightly buffing it over that, just so the surface isn't smooth. Now I'm going in with the Young Nails, I believe they're called Mission Control. Anyways, it's their like black potted art gel. I don't love this gel. Like in general, I bought like the whole kit of them, and the jars leak, and it was to the point where I almost threw them out. And the only reason why I'm using it today is because it cures non-tacky, like it has the top coat in it, so it actually works for chrome. It doesn't work perfectly, it doesn't work the greatest, but it works. Like you just have to make sure that you're really like rubbing the chrome into it. But yeah, I can't tell you how many times I've nearly thrown this product out, like almost brand new product too, just because it pisses me off so much. But yeah, it honestly, it makes me mad just because of the leaky pots. They just get everywhere. And I don't know, I've tried like loosening the lids because I'm like, is it a reverse pressure situation? But no matter what, they're just like leaking in my drawer and covering everything. So they're in a different drawer now in the other room. So I don't even have to think about them. I don't have to look at them. Yeah, which is disappointing, but yeah, they do the trick for this. So I'm just basically drawing big stars on Vanessa's nails, and I'm connecting the corners or 4 of the 5 points to the outer walls of Vanessa's nails. And then after this, I'm going to cure them for 60 seconds, and then I'm going in with Magpie's Diana Chrome. I'm just going over the star there. I'm going for a silver star moment. It's really cute. But yeah, like even after I went in with the dust brush and got rid of it, I noticed it like scraped up some of the chrome, so I had to go back in again. I'm just repeating the process. But when I use the Daily Charm, what's it called? Daily Charm Chrome Gel, I don't have any issues with it like scratching away. I'm just going in with a pink cat eye gel here from Show Me. It's my favorite cat eye gel, and I'm doing like a little dot in the center instead of doing like a little stone, and I'm magnetizing it so it has that cool kind of shifty effect. And now we're going in with the Young Nails Gloss Gel. I was just shitting on Young Nails, but this is a product I absolutely love. It's a top coat. It does have a tacky layer, so you do have to wipe that off, but it is the best product to lock in chrome. You can't use it on natural nails, like it has to be on like a builder or hard gel or gel extension because the gel on top of the nails will crack, but otherwise it's perfect. But here they are. So cute. I love them. I also love just the touch of darkness under the stars with that single layer of gel. Anyways, let me know what you guys think, and I will catch you in the next one.